one thing you need to practice on any motorcycle. Right now, I'm in the unknown area, never been here. It's really wooded. The number one thing out here is deer. I just had 5 go across in front of me. I seen them way up there, so I slowed down. And you always slow down if you see animals crossing, because they could go across and you think that's it, and there'll be some more over here ready to go across, or they'll go across and turn around and come back. But you need to be able to stop. So I'm just cruising, even though the speed limit over here in Louisiana is only 55. So you need to practice quick stopping, and know, like, this is a non-ABS bike, so the tires, they'll just lock up. So you got to know where that point of lockup is, and it's something you need to repeat, and every bike's going to be different. So it's something you need to try. Make sure there's nobody behind you, but you need to try it on dirt, sand, blacktop, and all different blacktop can react different too. So you just need to try it on different surfaces and know what it's like to have to stop in an emergency. There's a car a little ways behind me, so I can't do it right now. But that's just something you got to do on these bikes and get used to doing it. You just never know. Alright, I hit a few stretches that were straight, and I don't know if that vehicle behind me turned off or whatnot. There's a car in front of me, but it should be fine. I'm going to do a little quick emergency stop. I might wait for this car to pass so they don't think something's going on, because my headlight's going to dip. And you gotta get used to that front brake. You gotta know where that is, how much you can press on that without a skid. I'll probably just get right over this hill. No car behind me. Cruising about 55. Say that sign, I don't know if you can see it. That sign's an animal. Animal stop. Now I was a little under pressure, so that wasn't the best, but you get the idea. And you hear that squeak. If you're skidding, you ain't stopping. You got to remember that. Front brake, downshift, you gotta be able to do it all. Another thing, even though you can still see good, you need to run your high beams, because animals' eyes are going to reflect, and you can get an earlier detection. I don't know if you can see that reflector up there, but an animal's eyes are going to do the same thing. They're going to be enhanced with the high beams on. So I'll give you an earlier alert that there's an animal or something up ahead.